Send you. Okay, so in our last class, we had started discussing about merits of democracy, isn't it? Democracy में क्या-क्या अच्छाइयाँ हैं? Why democracy is better than other forms of government? Didn't we start this one? It responds to the need of people. We discussed about China's famine. China पे सूखा पड़ा था. You know, there was a famine, and how many people died in that famine in China? कितने लोग मारे गए थे?
The millions.
We have studied about that. The particular thing is given in your NCERT book. Open your NCERT book.
1 crore.
1 crore, or nearly it is given. Arguments for democracy, where it is starting. How many people died in China because of the famine? This is one of the worst recorded famine in history. कितने लोग मर गए थे चाइना में? Check.
3 crores.
3 crores. Near about 3 crores. Everyone's NCERT book should be open in front of them. Okay. More than 3 crore people died, and we saw that even India during that time was not, much any less or any more than China. लेकिन इंडिया में लोगों को उस तरह का नहीं कुछ फेस करना पड़ा. Didn't I tell you that India imported grains? इंडिया में भी खाने की कमी थी, and it exported grains from America.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So हम लोगों ने देखा why democracy is a better form of government, because in a democracy the government responds to the needs of the people in a very effective manner. लोगों को जिस भी चीज की जरूरत, right now अगर आप लोग if you are all following the news, you will see that there is a lack of oxygen in India for medical use. Many people are dying without oxygen. Yes. So see, now government has ordered that oxygen should be diverted. Oxygen का use, the gas oxygen, is also used for industrial purposes. So government ने कहा है कि now government should stop supplying gas oxygen to the main industries and divert the flow of oxygen towards medical purposes. So देखो जैसे ही लोगों को problem हुआ, government is now making green corridor. Green corridor means, ऐसे roads बनाए जाएंगे special. There are such kind of roads जहाँ पे कोई traffic नहीं होगा. Only those tankers carrying oxygen cylinders can run freely from one place to another, and on those roads there will be no other traffic. Green corridor. So as soon as people needed oxygen, government is doing whatever it can to provide oxygen. मान लो ये चीज चाइना में हुआ होता. This thing happened in China. What could have happened in China अगर इस तरह का कुछ हुआ होता? China, one party rule. They do not have the fear to lose in elections.
Sir, government would not bother about the people.
Government, yes, Abhishek is correct. Others also. What is the answer? Government may help the citizens in China. Government may not help the citizens in China. Because government knows. गवर्नमेंट के हेल्प करने से लोगों को या ना करने से उनके गवर्नमेंट को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है, उनके रूल को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. सो इन डिक्टेटरशिप और इन कंट्रीज वेयर वन पार्टी रूल इज देयर और मिलिट्री रूल इज देयर, तो वहां के रूलर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. इफ दे वांट टू डू वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल, दे विल डू. इफ दे वांट टू हेल्प द पीपल इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफिकल्टी, दे विल डू. इफ दे डू नॉट वांट, दे विल लेट द पीपल डाई. लेकिन डेमोक्रेसी में ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. इन डेमोक्रेसी गवर्नमेंट इज अकाउंटेबल टू द पीपल. यस अभिषेक, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
Sir, in China the government doesn't listen to the people, or maybe listen, maybe not, sir, but how it is rich than the other countries like India?
Well, because there every people is made to work very hard. इंडिया जैसा हालत चाइना में नहीं है. लाइक इन इंडिया स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल एग्जांपल, एंड अगेन a rule which everyone must follow in the class is, whenever I am asking someone any question, they need to answer me either in the chat box or over mic. Otherwise it shows you are not there in the class or you are not paying attention. Remember that. Okay, so China में क्या है, like in India, अगर घर में कोई एक अच्छा गवर्नमेंट सर्विस करने लगा, if someone is doing a good government service in India, we see that आराम से 4-5 लोग मिलके उनका पैसा यूज कर रहे हैं and they are having a good life, isn't it? In India, I'm not talking about the old people, but even young people. If someone is having a very good job in our country, then the entire family gets benefited and many people do not work because of that. Isn't it like in India in many cases?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
But in
and
China,
one more point.
yes, Aditya.
So in the China, I have listened from my parents that in China, the people who are working, like if a mobile repairing shop is there, so the Chinese government has the and survey that in this particular area, in there are many workers, so they can maintain the labor that are producing in the factories, so they can if any this type of pandemic came, so they recover the factories as soon as possible they can.
They join the factories. Yes. Another thing
Yes.
that in China, everyone needs to work very hard. ऐसा कोई नहीं कि कोई बैठे बैठे खाना खा रहा है. No, everyone needs to work very hard. Another thing in China, people live very miserable lives. The poor people, the labor group, those people who are not earning, a good amount of money, they live very horrible life in China. Do you know, like a size of a bathroom? अगर एक छोटा सा bathroom का हम लोग size ले लें, taking a size of a small bathroom, there people live in such places, that is in so small areas, in such a small, cabin area. There will be a sleeping area, there will be also a toilet, there will be also a kitchen, उतने छोटे से area में. And in such places, they are known as, box cabins. उनको box cabins बोला जाता है. In such places, the poor people of China who are the labor class, who are the working class, they are living. So they live very, very bad life. In India, still people are living a good life in that sense, if we compare. Another, in China, also there is a big discrimination. Have you heard of these very small, big cities in China like Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Beijing, and these places, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In
Yes.
those cities, no one can go directly. जैसे हमारा है कि हम चाहे कोई भी हम मुंबई जा सकते हैं, चाहे कोई भी हम लोग दिल्ली जा सकते हैं, कोलकाता जा सकते हैं. It's not like that. In big cities like Shanghai and other cities, you have to have a economic level, you have to have educational level. अगर आप उतना income नहीं करते हो, if you do not have that much of educational qualification and these things, you are not even allowed entry in such big cities. उन शहरों में आप एंट्री भी नहीं ले सकते हो. So in China, China is developing so much at the cost of people's liberty, freedom, and people's rights. लोगों के freedom, लोगों के freedom of speech, rights, democratic values, इन सबको ताक पे रख के China development कर रहा है. Now you all think, I think everyone knows this one thing. In China, there was one child policy. इसके बारे में कभी सुना है? China, its population was growing too much. And in China, for many years, there was one child policy. अगर एक बच्चे से ज़्यादा आपका बच्चा हुआ, you will directly go to jail. And that child will be sent to orphanage. उसको अनाथालय भेज दिया जाएगा. And the parents are going to be in jail. Yes, Priyanshi?
Sir, I think two child policy was there, not one child policy.
No. Now it is there, but earlier it was one child policy in China. Earlier it was one child policy in China. क्या आपको लगता है इंडिया में ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
And do you think in India, China, they force everyone to work? They will have to work. They will have to do this. They will have to do that. No one is free in China to protest against the government. If someone protests, they are brutally suppressed. इस तरह तो इंडिया में नहीं होता है. अगर इंडिया में भी इस तरह शुरू हो गया, if in India also this kind of thing starts happening, India will also become a global power and one of the richest countries of the world within few years. कुछ सालों में शुरू हो जाएगा. इंडिया भी उतना ही पावरफुल हो जाएगा. Everyone in China works. Everyone will have to work in China. So that is why. Chalo, let us go to another point. Improves the quality of decision making. This is another very important point. हम लोगों ने पिछले बार पढ़ा था in demerits of democracy that in a democracy, decisions are taken, to take decisions, it takes times. बहुत समय लगता है एक डिसीजन को लेने में, isn't it? Everyone else, Bani, Spandan, Shaurya, hopefully everyone is following.
Yes, sir.
When we were
Yes, sir.
discussing the demerits of democracy, we had discussed one point. In a democracy, it takes a lot of time to take any decision. We have to go and we have to consult with so many people. We have to do meetings. Then everyone, everyone is going to agree, then we can, take a decision in the government. But actually, it is a good point in the sense it improves the quality of decision making. मान लो कोई dictator है. Let us assume that there is a dictator in our country, or there is a one party rule in the country. फटाफट वो decisions ले सकते हैं. They can take any decision whenever they want. But students, is it guaranteed that that decision is going to be correct? That decision is going to be totally right in such a case? Isn't there chances that that decision can have many faults?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. But अगर जैसे आप ही लोग मान लो, अगर आपको कोई डिसीजन लेना है रिगार्डिंग योर करियर, ओके, सो आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ डिस्कस करते हो, यू डिस्कस इवन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड समटाइम्स देन यू टेक अ डिसीजन अबाउट योर करियर और मे बी व्हिच कॉलेज यू वांट टू जॉइन लेटर आफ्टर यू फिनिश योर स्कूल. Just to say, आप लोगों ने in a hurry you have taken some kind of a decision to join any college or taking this profession without thinking about it. उस समय अच्छा लग रहा है, ले लिया, and later it can prove bad for you. So in a democracy what happens, हम तरह तरह के लोगों से बात करते हैं. अगर नरेंद्र मोदी को कुछ decision लेना है, then he will discuss with the cabinet ministers. Later, if he wants to take decision about states, he will discuss it with their chief ministers. So क्या होता है, whenever we do discussions, हम लोग क्यों consultation करते हैं बच्चों? Why do we do consultation with others whenever we want to take any important decision? What is the need? Anushka, can you tell us what is the need for consultations? What is the need for consultations? हम क्यों लोगों से बातचीत करके किसी important decision पे पहुंचते हैं? Why we take consultation? Why we do meetings with others? क्या जरूरत है? Like in your school, principal sir does meetings with teachers to take any decision. Yes, Aditya?
So because they take opinions so that the rule that is being made the people will follow each wisely, because every party has different thought how the rule will be applied to the people.
So everyone's views are taken for. सबके views को लिया जाता है. Okay. So others like Dhruvi, can you tell us क्यों हम लोग मीटिंग करके लोगों के साथ डिस्कशन करके कोई फैसला करते हैं? Why do we do discussions, consultations? Correct. Priyanshi has given a very good answer. So that whenever there is any fault in the rule, it can be corrected and modified by others' view. See, अगर मैं कोई डिसीजन ले रहा हूँ, हो सकता है उस डिसीजन में कुछ नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स हो. There can be some negative points in my decision making. So when I will go and discuss it with some more other people, anyone can point out, Shubham, see, there is some, fault in your discussion, or here is some negative point which you need to improve. We take feedback from people. So what happens in a democracy? अगर हम consultation करके, meeting करके, बातचीत करके कोई decision लेते हैं, तो उस decision के गलत होने के chances कम होते हैं. The chances of that decision being wrong is much less. That is why we do consultations. I'm getting more in chats. Yeah, sir, if the government of China is not doing anything for the citizens, then what the government does and why don't the citizens protest? Okay, Priyanshi, regarding that, I will discuss later about Chinese government in our other classes, or maybe personally you can ask. So let us now focus on this point, that discussions lead to better decision making. Discussion and consultations it improves the quality of decision making. जब हम लोगों से बातचीत करके कोई decision लेते हैं, when we take account the views of different people, then हमारे decisions के गलत होने के chances बहुत कम होते हैं. Everyone get it? Okay. Let us say Rishi Jaiswal. now can you tell me that why we take decisions after doing consultations? क्यों जरूरी होता है to take decisions after consulting? Rishi Jaiswal, am I audible? No, can't get any answer. Pranjal, can you tell us?
Yes.
Pranjal, why do we take decisions after doing discussions? What it leads to?
Sir, I can listen,
No.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shresht, can you tell us? हम लोग क्यों decisions
Sir,
लेते हैं?
Sir, we take decisions with discussion because there in discussion everybody's point of view is there. That means there are too many types of people who are saying that and some are saying that. So that means there are too many points of view and that makes a discussion correct.
Correct. You are absolutely right that when we do discussions with others, then it leads to better decision making. Okay, Rishi's net is slow and Ayushi, so that there would be no confusions afterwards. Very correct, Ayushi. Chalo, let us now go and see other point. Which is the other point? It deals with differences. Differences के साथ कायदे से deal करता है. That is, democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Like differences and conflicts. Like in India, we all know India as a country is a very diverse country. There are thousands of languages, there are thousands of culture, traditions, people who are from different regions, they are speaking different language, they have different opinions about different things. So बच्चों, क्या ये जरूरी है कि इंडिया के सभी लोग, say from people from northeast, they all agree with the views with the people of west, that is Gujarat area? क्या जरूरी है कि कश्मीर के लोगों का वही सेम थिंकिंग है जो कि साउथ इंडियंस का है? इज इट नेसेसरी दैट देयर ओपिनियंस एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ द कंट्री विल बी सेम ऑफ पीपल?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नो, इट वोंट बी. सो हो सकता है कि पीपल फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर हैव सम डिफरेंट व्यूज एंड ओपिनियंस एंड दे डू नॉट लाइक सम थिंग्स which is happening in South India. South Indian people may not like some things which are happening in, you know, Uttar Pradesh or North India, and they have their own kind of thinking and opinions. So in such a diverse country where so much diversity is there in India, like in India, क्या होता है कि हमेशा there is conflict between the views and thoughts of different people. हमेशा टकराव होती रहती है लोगों के सोच में, you know, लोगों के traditions में, culture में. So just imagine कि एक dictatorship है और there is a majority rule in the country. ठीक है? Then what can happen?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pranjal?
Sir, see the chat box. I have sent message.
Okay. Wait a second, Pranjal. Just a second. Everyone. Okay, what is the... We take decision with other... We take decision with discussion to take other government opinions and what is correct and what is wrong. Yes, correct. Okay, so going back to our main discussion. किसी देश में, just imagine कि in India it's a Hindu majority country. और let us say कि Hindi speaking people are in more majority. हिंदी बोलने वाले लोग ज्यादा majority में हैं. And say people who are having Tamil as their mother tongue, they are minorities. So अगर ये dictatorship होता है या अगर majority का rule होता है, then what can happen? The majority people, they can force their decision on the minority.
So Hindi be the
Hindi will be, you know, Hindi will be forced on the South Indians. Hindi South Indians के ऊपर force किया जाएगा. So अगर ऐसा होता है, do you think it will be correct decision कि majority के लोग with force?
No, sir.
situation of Sri Lanka.
Yes, very correct. It will become like Sri Lanka, जहाँ पे Sinhalese को थोपा गया था Tamilians के ऊपर, and because of that there was a civil war there. So अगर हम लोग ऐसा नहीं चाहते हैं in our India, ऐसा बहुत हो सकता था, you know, such kind of things could have happened very easily. बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ, इट नेवर हैपेंड, क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में every community's views, every religious community's views, linguistic community's views, cultural communities हैं इतने सारे, सबके views को हम respect करते हैं. We respect everyone's views and opinions. And remember, in a democracy, no one is a permanent winner or no one is a permanent loser. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि सिर्फ बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट ही हमेशा रहेगी and it is always going to support the Hindus. ऐसा नहीं रहेगा कि always कांग्रेस का ही गवर्नमेंट रहेगा. It will never happen that Hindi speaking people will have a majority, will have all the decisions in their favor, and other language people are going to suffer. No. So democracy is the only way through which conflicts can be solved. Different, conflicts, dispute regarding other people, it can be solved. जब अगर लोगों के बीच में अलग अलग व्यूज हैं, ओपिनियंस हैं, ऑब्वियसली वहां पे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होगा, टकराव होगा. So in a democracy, because we respect everyone's views, so that is why democracy deals with differences successfully. अच्छा, हमारे इंडिया में अगर पिछली बार आपको याद होगा, पोट्टी श्री रामुलु जो थे, who was he? He did Anshan for a long time and he died also.
Sir, he was a follower of Gandhi ji.
He was a follower of Gandhi ji. Last year 8 नहीं पढ़ा था, but for what he was doing the Anshan? Why he was doing a hunger strike?
For the Telangana.
And Telangana.
For Telangana.
Andhra. For Andhra, not Telangana exactly. He was a Telugu speaking person. For Andhra, he demanded a separate state for Telugu speaking people. तो क्या इंडिया में ऐसा हुआ था कि नहीं बोला गया नो, तेलुगु स्पीकिंग आंध्र प्रदेश कैनॉट बी मेड एंड एवरीवन विल हैव टू फॉलो हिंदी, एवरीवन विल हैव टू लर्न हिंदी? Does something like that happen? Or Andhra Pradesh was created? Andhra was created.
Andhra Pradesh was
Andhra was made, and people see. So देखो, there was a conflict हुआ between the interests of people. South India के लोगों का कुछ अलग डिमांड था, North India's people demand was something different, but the demand of the Andhra people, it was respected, and see, a new state was created. So this is like this way democracy में अलग अलग conflict और differences को सुलझाया जाता है. चलो, coming to the next. In this point, is there any question anyone would like to ask? Sanjana, Priyanshu. Students, ये class इतना शांत क्यों रहता है? Why this class is always so silent?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Today or tomorrow, I am going to give you all a Google form in which there will be some questions regarding these chapter, and it will test at how much everyone has understood or how much I was able to teach you. Chalo, next. Now, democracy enhances dignity of people. Now, अभी तक हम लोगों ने जो भी बात किया ये था कि किस तरह का गवर्नमेंट होता है. What kind of military? Yes, someone wanted to ask something.
No,
Sir, better than Google form is Mentimeter or quiz.
Okay, but there will be some subjective questions also. कुछ subjective questions भी रहेंगे. Okay, I will do it in Kahoot or quizzes, the MCQ type questions. Kahoot is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so MCQ type questions will be there or in quizzes, and there also will be some 1 or 2 lines of subjective questions. Subjective के लिए तो Google form is better, isn't it? For subjective
Yes,
questions,
sir.
Google form is better to write subjective answers. Okay, अब क्या है देखो, democracy enhances dignity of people. लोगों को respect देता है. हमारा, all of us have a personal dignity. Dignity means, we all have self-respect. We all have some respect in the society. A self-respect, that is dignity. So democracy लोगों के dignity को respect देता है. It enhances dignity of people. कैसे? In a democracy, be it a rich, be it a poor, be it someone who is very well educated, rich, or be it someone who is poor, who is illiterate, everyone has been given equal rights under law. Do you all believe this is correct? सबको equal rights मिले?
Yes, sir.
Ambani,
Yes, sir.
The family members of Ambani, they also have the same fundamental rights. They also have the right to vote. They also enjoy the adult franchise, and they also enjoy all the rights which are given as a rickshawala from Varanasi he will enjoy. So in a democracy, everyone has been given equal rights. Though वो matter अलग है कि गरीब और अमीर का फर्क है, that is something which is there since human civilization began. We are not talking about that, but at least एक democratic देश में ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि like कैसा था, फीजी में नहीं था. Did you all remember the case of Fiji? Where indigenous Fijians vote had more value than the Indian Fijians. इंडिजिनस फीजियंस जो थे उनके वोट की वैल्यू ज्यादा थी इंडियन फीजियंस से. या अगर हम एस्टोनिया की बात करें, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट एस्टोनिया, वहां पे रशियन माइनॉरिटी जो लोग थे उनके साथ भेदभाव होता था. दे वर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड, दे वर नॉट गिवन इक्वल राइट्स एज द पीपल ऑफ एस्टोनिया. लेकिन इस तरह तो हमारे इंडिया में नहीं है ना, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. और ऐसा भी नहीं है जैसे ब्रिटिश करते थे ब्लैक्स एंड व्हाइट्स, इंडिया में उस तरह का भी नहीं है. So in a democracy, every person, be it rich, be it poor, have equal rights. And also in a democracy, people can choose their representatives and they are responsible for their own action. हम लोगों ने, everyone, I think many of you right now know that many people do not like BJP's current rule. Everyone knows about that. Must have heard about that.
Yes.
Many people.
Yes, sir.
में हो सकता है कि आपके घरों में से भी कुछ लोग ऐसे हों. आई एम नॉट सेइंग, मे बी देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स इन हुज हाउसेस देयर मे बी सम मेंबर हु डू नॉट लाइक बीजेपी रूल. दैट कैन आल्सो हैपन. बट क्या हम दोष दे सकते हैं? कैन वी गिव ब्लेम टू एनीवन एल्स कि अरे बीजेपी उसकी वजह से पावर में आया था? कैन वी डू दैट इन अ डेमोक्रेसी? कैन वी ब्लेम समवन एल्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड फॉर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द कंट्री, और वी आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर द एक्शंस व्हिच इज हैपनिंग इन द कंट्री? हम लोग responsible.
Sir, we are responsible.
We are responsible in a democracy for our own actions. We have given vote to BJP government and that is why now it is ruling. So if people are not happy with BJP government, they cannot blame anyone else from outside. People are responsible for their own actions in a democracy. People are their own rulers. हम अपने rulers को खुद choose करते हैं. So it is like people of the nation are the rulers themselves. हम लोग खुद रूल कर रहे हैं with the help of our representatives. So democracy में अगर कुछ गलती होती है, it is the responsibility of the people. And at the end, it can correct itself. Let us assume Hitler, second chapter आप लोग पढ़ने वाले हो, that is rise of Nazism and rise of Hitler. Next chapter is Hitler was chosen by the people. Hitler वहां पे जर्मनी में उसने इलेक्शंस लड़े थे. He fought in an election. वो इलेक्शंस जीता था. Hitler won the elections and then he became the president of Germany. People chose him. But after that Hitler became a dictator. बाद में वो dictator बन गया. So students, like in China or in one party rule country or in a dictatorship, मान लो लोगों ने चूज तो कर लिया डिक्टेटर को and later the dictator becomes very bad. So क्या लोग अपनी गलतियों को सुधार सकते हैं? Is there any way that people can correct their mistakes in a democracy, in such kind of a government?
No, sir.
Spandan, what do you say? What is your view? In a dictatorship or say a one party rule in China, अगर आपसे कुछ गलती हो जाती है in choosing the government or choosing someone, is there any way that you can correct yourself? आप खुद को सुधार सकते हैं?
No, sir.
No, we cannot. But मान लो अगर इंडिया में, which is a democracy, people feel that current government, they have chosen current government like in Aditya, they can remove the government. Aditya कैसे? Dictatorship में या in a one party rule, how the people can change the government? लोगों के पास तो power ही नहीं है.
Sir, they can change. They have the power. The whole population of the country is based on them. How
No,
much military will
no,
stop
Aditya.
them?
No, Aditya, that is not possible.
No,
It
sir.
is. Then
Sir,
Aditya, why in China people are not able to remove the Chinese government?
Sir, if the people were all were in like in French Revolution, the France people all
Okay,
came
okay.
together
Aditya, wait a
against the
second.
King Louis.
Wait a second, Aditya. Remember, whenever there is a dictatorship any strong dictatorship or one party rule like China, there are many supporters of dictatorship also in that country. Many people support them also.
Yes, sir. I'm not telling that, but
Okay,
like
Aditya,
in,
wait, you
in
are getting
India
confused.
also.
Wait. Aditya, you are getting confused. अब तो बात कर रही हूँ रिवोल्यूशन की. We are not talking about revolution. क्या simply वो dictator को हटा सकते हैं? और simply can they correct their mistakes?
Yes, sir, they can correct.
No, आदित्य, नहीं करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको डिक्टेटरशिप हटाना है तो आप फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन जैसे रिवॉल्यूशन करो. स्टार्ट अ रिवॉल्यूशन लाइक फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन.
Yes,
And
sir, we
only you
can
will.
do
But
it.
many people are in support of them.
That is why
Yes.
ना, many people are in support of them. That is why हम जैसे सिंपली इंडिया में अगर मान लो बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट से लोग नाखुश हैं, in the next elections we can remove them easily by our voting, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In a democracy like India, मान लो कि लोग बोलते हैं कि ओके हम लोगों ने कांग्रेस को चूज किया था एंड कांग्रेस इज नॉट डूइंग करेक्ट थिंग, सो वी हैव टेकन अ रॉन्ग डिसीजन एंड लेट अस नाउ चेंज. हम लोगों से कंसल्टेशन किया गया, पीपल कंसल्टेड विद एवरीवन and everyone decided that no, we want to change the current government. or not only government, मान लो decision making, मान लो म्यूनिसिपैलिटी से, वाराणसी की म्यूनिसिपैलिटी से कुछ गलती हो गई in some decision, so they can again change the decisions and they can take the correct decisions easily in a country. लेकिन डिक्टेटरशिप में या वन पार्टी रूल में आप नहीं कर सकते हो. अभी चाइना के लोग चाहें, they cannot overthrow the Chinese Communist Party's government easily like that. इलेक्शंस करवाया, चाइनीज कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी की जगह हम लोगों ने डेमोक्रेसी कर दिया. नो, इट इज नॉट दैट इजी. बट इन अ डेमोक्रेसी यू कैन इजीली करेक्ट योरसेल्फ. इन अ डेमोक्रेसी इफ यू डू अ मिस्टेक, अगर आप कोई गलती करते हो, देन देयर इज अ चांस दैट यू कैन इजीली करेक्ट योर रॉन्ग डिसीजंस. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. So these are the merits of democracy. So again, I will just take 1 minute more of you all. Democracy is not, as I said earlier, it's not a Harry Potter's magic wand. It will do just whoosh and everything is okay, everything is good in the country. Democracy में demerits हैं, corruption is there, power play is there, बहुत सी चीजें हैं. But compared to other forms of government, democracy is better compared to other forms of government, because we have discussed these points. Democracy looks after the people more properly than any other kind of government. In a democratic form of government, the government quickly responds to the needs of the people. और एक बहुत बड़ी सबसे जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है डेमोक्रेसी की, in a democracy, if people are not happy by the government, if people are not happy by what decisions they have taken, they can change their decisions. They can quickly change the government with the help of elections. So for this, democracy is said to be a better form of government than any kind of dictatorship or one party rule.
Sir, but in case of Germany, the Adolf Hitler was trying to make Germany a big nation, and all people were supporting. So why we said that Hitler was a bad dictator and he was not
Aditya,
good?
looks like Aditya is really inspired by Hitler somehow. Okay,
Yes,
let
sir,
us
I
do
also
wait Aditya, I am giving you one scenario. मैं एक आपको scenario देता हूँ, though the timing is over, but just a second everyone. Let us assume Narendra Modi becomes the dictator of India. Narendra Modi जो हैं वो dictator बन जाते हैं इंडिया में, ठीक है? And he gives an order that India is going to conquer China. इंडिया हमला करके पाकिस्तान को अपने अंडर कर लेगी, इंडिया हमला करके बांग्लादेश को अपने अंडर कर लेगी. फाइन, एवरीवन विल बी वेरी हैप्पी, अरे वाह बड़ा अच्छा होगा एंड एवरीथिंग, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, वो भी मानते हैं. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड, नरेंद्र मोदी गिव्स एन ऑर्डर एंड डिक्लेरेशन दैट Muslims, Buddhists, Christians, Sikhs and Jains, they all are enemies of humanity. Because of these other religion people, India has suffered a lot, and that is why kill all those other people. So students, will you appreciate this kind of a leader? And because of his orders, millions and millions of other religion people are killed or they are thrown out of the country. Now Aditya, tell me, Will you support such kind of a leader? Even he is doing good for the entire Hindu population.
Sir, I will support his works 90%, and I will demotivate for this thing that he is killing for. I'm not telling that I like Hitler a lot. I'm telling his killing
wait,
of Jews
Aditya,
was
but you will continuing supporting. वो मारते जाएंगे लोगों को, but because he is doing good for the people, so you will say that okay, let him be the ruler, but let him kill millions of people.
No, sir, but see, like
Okay, Aditya, we will discuss. We will discuss this out of class.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, out of
Okay,
class
sir.
we will discuss. This is going out of topic. So in our next class, we will discuss about democracy in a broader perspective. And also we will discuss the cartoons. इस chapter में बहुत सारे cartoons. So everyone has seen those cartoons in the book?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
we will see about those cartoons. और हम लोग इस chapter के last topic को in our next class we will discuss. Tomorrow, when we have our next class?
Sir, Monday.
On Monday. Okay.
Maybe.
So we will discuss.
Sir?
Yes. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, Denmark is the least corrupted country in the world.
Correct. Denmark is the least corrupted country in the world. First rank. So in our next civics classes, we will discuss the other topics which are there in